how to permanently delete files so they can't be recovered. So if you want to permanently delete files so they can't be recovered, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your files application. After opening your files, now if you want to delete, like permanently delete the files, then what you need to do is go and select the file that you would like to delete. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a file which is right here. Tap and hold on to it, and then go with delete, which will be in the top right, and tap on delete, which will be in the bottom. Now, once it has been deleted, it won't permanently delete from your device. So in order to permanently delete it, what you need to do is scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of other storage. Tap on it, or go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here, as you can see, that you will have a trash option. Tap on trash, and you will have all of the videos that you recently deleted. So select all, and then tap on delete, which will be in the bottom, and tap on delete again. And that's it. These files have been permanently deleted. That's how you can permanently delete files so they can't be recovered. And if you want to do that on your PC, you need to go with your recycle bin. So the files that you've deleted move to recycle bin, right? So you need to open up your recycle bin and then delete all of the files from your recycle bin as well. So empty your recycle bin and it will be permanently deleted. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.